Hello, my students. This is Senora Young with your Quizlet training. Hope this helps you get into Quizlet and a little handle on it. The first thing you're going to do is go to Google search and type on the search option Quizlet.com. It will get you to the Quizlet page. On the right-hand side on the top, there's a sign up. Click that. It's going to ask you for your birth date. You do not have to put your real birth date in there. That is for their records, not mine. They're going to ask you for a username. Create a username. They're going to ask you for your email. If you do not have an email, please create an email or go to Gmail and get an email. And then they're going to ask you for a password. It's very, very important that you write all of these things down because I'm going to be asking for them. Once you're all squared away with this portion, then you can go ahead and sign in. Once you're in, you're going to have to search for my class. There's tons of classes in here all over the nation. All these teachers use Quizlet. So this person does not know exactly the name of my class. So she's going to go and say 7th grade young. Let's see what happens. Look at that. It just shows a whole bunch of them. Now, mine says Calvary Christian Academy. The name is Spanish 7th grade young, and you're going to request for me to accept you to the class. Once you go into the class, you're going to see días de la semana, meses, and estaciones. Those are your first vocabularies under Spanish 7th grade young. I'm going to show you a couple of activities just to get you a little bit acclimated with it. So we go into días de la semana. That's the first one you're going to see. It has 13 words. Let's go into it. You're going to see, scrolling down, you're going to see 7 activities. One of the activities is Quizlet Live. Do not worry about that one. That is done in a group. We're going to go into Learn. Learn is super easy, and it's a great way to learn vocabulary. You just match the different vocabulary terms onto the squares that are on the bottom. Know that I know when you log in and when you log out, and I also know your scores. That is going to give me an idea of if you are getting your vocabulary or you're having trouble with it. And this one has 2/7. Another activity that is mandatory for all students is the test. All students must complete the test. In the test, once you get to it, it's very important that you go to the options and see if you have all the terms in there. In this particular one is 13 vocabulary words, so we have 13/13. Also, you need to see if all the checks, all the boxes, yellow boxes are checked. Once you're done that, then go into the test and start the test. The written questions of the test is just writing them up. It is very important that you notice the boxes underneath the blanks. Those are going to give you the accents that you need, upside down question marks and exclamation points, and if it has an ñ, the N with the squiggly thing on the top. If you do not use those, it's going to mark it incorrect. Also, if the word is not does not need to capitalize, such as the days of the week, the seasons, or the months. They're never capitalized unless they are in the beginning of the sentence. It's going to mark it wrong. So make sure that you understand the capitalization of the words. In here we have matching questions. You just match the letter to the definition. Very easy. And another one is choose your best answer. Multiple choice. Super easy as well. The next one will be true or false, but I'm not going to show it right now because I think you got the gist of it. So this is Quizlet. If you have any questions, please come to me and let me know. Thanks.